Okay, so for this next application, I chose Common Core Curriculum, or Common Curriculum, not Common Core, Common Curriculum, which is my online plan book or um, lesson plans. So I really like this because my parents and the students, and we're really big on communication here. So we always want to try and keep parents informed. So when they go to the school website, sorry, I have the hiccups, they can just go to the link and it'll take them to my lesson plan. So I'm already logged in, and when you do this, it's a free thing. So, and then I just made mine Downing's math classes. So when I click into this from my view, I can edit it. Now they can't, but it's all right here. So since we're on block scheduling, I'm going to move this up here so you can see it. So right now it gives me what week I'm on. I could go in and edit any time how I want to see this. So I could click just the day and it'll show me today. So like in my financial algebra class, we had a speaker over auto stuff, and then my kids know exactly what they have for homework. And then in geometry today, this actually, I didn't update this. We did something a little bit different today, so I need to move that to the next day. I like the week mode, so I can see what's going on for the week. So like you can see on Monday, I had a quiz for my college algebra students. Actually, I need to update this, so I'm going to go ahead and update these as we go. So in college algebra, we'll be going over these sections. And then in financial algebra, you'll see we're going over independent living. And because we're in block scheduling, I see them every other day. So then I can just see all of what's going on. Oh, I didn't put that in there. I've been kind of updating, so my plan book quite isn't up to date. If I go to the previous week, you'll really see how this is more up to date. And how I can just put everything in there and let parents know what's going on. Or I look at this as a month view. And if I look at the month view, then I can actually see which classes I'm going to have for that day. Or I'm going to go to the next month. No. So if I go to the month view, and then you can see I have no classes here because things got moved. So I always like the week view. I like to see. So if you see next week, we actually have an incentive day, so our classes are going to be different. And then again, those Mondays of what it's like. So I really like this. It's easy to set up. You just go to this lesson and unit planner, and it lets you make your own. It also gives you ideas of how to do it. Again, excuse me, I have hiccups. So I really enjoy this just for the fact that it allows my parents to stay up to date and it allows my students to stay up to date. And then it just keeps me on track too. So that's Common Curriculum. And then again, I just like it because it's easy to let people know.